Good morning, guys. Welcome to the final part of the video series. I feel like I always want to record this, but I never get the chance to record the whole day. Today, we're heading up to LA, going to go see my tuner, and it is currently 8:11 in the morning. We have our appointment at 10 a.m., so hopefully we make it there on time. But first, we're going to meet up with my friend and drop off some Hot Wheels at a car meet on the way up there, and hopefully everything goes well today. Unfortunately, we were not able to stop at the car meet. We decided in the best interest of time to just not go. So we're just gonna drive up to LA, stop for some gas, get some food, and hopefully be there on time. We're just about there and we almost ran out of gas. Luckily, there's a Chevron right up the road right before we get to my tuner. Gas is not that bad right now. It's $4.69 for 91. Not too bad. I am not gonna lie, she looks really good in this lighting, and I'm talking about my car. Overall, getting here is not too bad. The street on Alameda is awful, but we're close by, and we should be all set right after this, right after we get some gas. I think we're at 12 gallons. Yep, 12 gallons. So maybe got another 3, and damn. We have now arrived. Tuner should be right around the corner. Oh man. So they are now in the car and we are waiting for the first pull. First pull is always the most nerve-wracking. Hopefully things go well, and let's see what she makes today. Damn, that first pull was crazy because of how loud it was. I even got my ear protection in. But yeah, we'll see what she ends up making. I think they're gonna do a couple passes, and that's gonna be it. Man, we are on the first drive out of the dyno. Holy crap, this car sounds so crazy. Just the turbo noises, how loud it is, the backfires. Could not have done it without my girlfriend, for sure. She helped me install a lot of the parts on the car. And yeah, it sounds awesome. Hopefully I get a clip before we leave LA of the car. And yeah, it sounds insane. It sounds badass, honestly. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. It was very fun, and I wish I would have got my first reaction on the pull, because it was amazing. Like, it was great. And I'm gonna throw a clip right here at the end. At some point, I'm gonna get a video of the car going by. It just sounds badass. I don't know how else to explain it. Really happy, really excited. It's honestly not making a ton of power. I'll put the chart up right now on the screen. Pretty much only made right under 300, which is expected, nothing crazy. But I think it's about a 70 or 60 horsepower bump from factory. So it's good. And we'll see what we're up to in the next video. So take care. Catch you guys in the next one.